Alright guys, today I'm doing a review on Silk Soy milk here, and it is non-GMO, and as you can see there, read the nutrient panel here. If you guys want to read it, pause it, of course, and it is fortified as you can see, so let's open this up. I'm going to do a quick taste test. This is their unsweetened version, so let's see how it actually tastes. That's the consistency if you guys want to take a look there. So the unsweetened one isn't it's not too flavorful at all. It does have this soy sort of taste to it. Other than that, it's not sweet whatsoever. It's kind of like almost like rice milk without the flavor too. So definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.